There are some things in life that you just cannot replace with artificial things and still live a really fulfilled, rich, amazing life that you love. For example, sleep. No matter how much caffeine you take in, it does not replace a good night's sleep. Technology, like our devices and staying attached to our phones, and kids are on this, right? Like they're the number one winners of, can I stay on my phone 24 hours a day? But the thing is, we do that to get connection, and if we're not careful, it can disconnect us from the present moment and from the people around us. So no matter how much time we're spending connecting, which if we're really honest, for a lot of us adults, it's mindless scrolling, which is getting us nowhere. No matter how much time we spend on that, it can actually disconnect us from real life, and then we're missing like how the air feels when it hits our face. We're missing cool grass on our feet. We're missing the feel of sunshine on our skin, of connecting with a human being in person, right there in your energetic space where you can see their face and hear their voice in front of you. Or the touch of, like, if you play with a kitten or a puppy, or your partner's touch, or whatever that is. You can be missing out on that if you're trying to constantly replace that by being connected on the phone. What's another example? I'd love to hear from you guys. What's an example where you notice you've actually been trying to replace something real that you need in your life with something artificial? I'd love to hear more. By the way, this example came from my kids when they were younger, and I was like, oh, I'm just so tired. I just need a nap. I need a good night's sleep. They're like, can't you just have another cup of coffee? And I was like, yeah. And no, it doesn't really work the same. Anyway, I hope this is helpful. Please share it if you liked it. I'm sure somebody else will like it too. And follow me for more shit like this.